Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little bit of unboxing of some gifts that we received at Christmas time for the Osmo Pocket. So sit back and enjoy this little unboxing. Hi everyone. We haven't used the Osmo Pocket in a while, and for Christmas we received a few items. Last year DJI did come out with the DJI Pocket 2, and we really thought about getting the Pocket 2, but we've had the Osmo Pocket now for a couple of years, and we have a lot of accessories that we purchased with the Osmo Pocket. We have the Osmo Pocket here. We wanted to have it wireless, so we bought this little adapter here. So it just fits on here, and we're able to use this wirelessly with our phone. We also wanted to have this mounted onto a tripod, so we got this little item here with the threads on the bottom. We're able to actually slide. Let's see, how does this go? We're actually able to put the wireless adapter onto the Osmo Pocket, and we're actually able to slide this into this device, and we're able to mount that onto a tripod. And if we need extra power, we also have access to the USB-C that's on the bottom here. Plus we got a lot of these other attachments. This is another attachment you can put the Osmo Pocket in with a screw thread for a tripod. We also got this little wheel adapter here, which allows you to rotate the camera. We'll just pop this off, and we just slide. Okay, we'll just slide that in. Okay, now if we turn the Osmo Pocket on, there, as you can see, we're able to, let's see, we're able to rotate the camera around. This little scroll wheel allows us to move the gimbal around, and if you switch a little button on here, it allows you to move the gimbal up and down. So we'll shut her off. So we received a lot of, we purchased a lot of accessories for the Osmo Pocket. So it didn't make any sense to go out and buy the Pocket 2. And so for Christmas, we got a few other accessories that are going to give us pretty much the same thing that the Pocket 2 has. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave that off for now, because we're going to show you some of these accessories here. Nice little case. Nice little case. This is very, very tiny. Very tiny. I wanted to show you here. We have some ND filters for the Osmo Pocket, and they actually look much bigger. They actually look much bigger than this. I don't know if the Osmo can pick that up. How clear is that? How clear is that? Anyways, let's take it out of there. And as with the ND filters, it's usually magnetized. So let's pop this on there and see how she works. There she goes. It was magnetic. It was magnetic. It went right on there. So I think you will see in the screen here, it is a wider angle of view. So I kind of like that. Slide these out. See these little foam pieces here will allow me to slide these in there, just like that. Okay, this one here, you know what? Probably able to slide these ND filters and slide right in there. ND filter, slide right in there. ND filter. Okay, best to slide that way. ND filter. This little pocket, probably great for that. So, and then we have one last sponge that we can take out of here. And that sponge there, we can put this in there. We do need another slot. We need another slot for this one. Yeah, we do. We definitely need another slot for this. Okay, so what we will do is we're going to put this one here in the bottom with, I think we'll put this adapter in here. This adapter in here. We're able to fit this. Fit that in there. We're able to fit that in there. This fits in here. This fits in here. think we'll keep this out. Keep that out. We're able to slide this. Let's see if we can do that. Maybe we can do this. Let's see. Can we fit this in? Well, this is amazing. This is pretty amazing because all of the stuff fits in here. We have one of the ND filters down here, and we have the ND filters here, 4 more. We have the adapters that fit into this. We have the wide angle lens. We have the wireless adapter and the tripod mount here. Some other mounts that we have. We have the scroll wheel here. So basically everything that we had all fits into this little case. This is really cool. Okay, and then we also have our little booklets that we can keep in there. It's a shame we couldn't put this in there, but that's okay. This is really good. This is really good. Actually, we may keep these things separate. Okay, and this is something that we should keep in there. That's pretty amazing. Everything fits in there. Everything fits in there. Very cool. Very cool. There you go, Osmo Pocket. Perfect case. And this is from the Kufi. I probably pronounced that wrong. But anyways, as you can see, these are all the accessories there that we have, and everything just all fits right in there. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, with this selfie stick, it just allows you to get the camera away from you and maybe into spots that you normally couldn't get to. So I'm kind of looking forward to using this. I do have selfie sticks for my other cameras, for the GoPro and for the Insta360. Huh? No, this is an Osmo Pocket. I got it a couple of years ago, and recently I just got the wireless Rode. Nice. So DJI, they came out with a Pocket 2 the end of last year, and the Pocket 2 has a wireless mic built into it. It has a wide angle lens. Nice. And I thought to myself, like, why should I dish out all that money for another one that only has like a couple of features more than what mine has, right? Yeah. And I bought a lot of different accessories. I bought like a wireless module, which I have on there now, so I can connect to the phone wirelessly. Nice. And now I have the Rode wireless mic, so I only needed to get the adapter for this. So for a lot less money, Yeah, for a lot less money, I have everything that the new one has without spending another 600 bucks.
And that's always the win, right? When you,
Yeah.
when you put in the homework and you get the good stuff.
And then for Christmas, my wife got me this selfie stick. So it's great having the wireless on there. I have the selfie stick so I can walk around, I can change the camera, you know, so it's... Sorry, Mojo, I got a camera here, buddy.
He's finally down, right?
So, now we have face tracking, so if we move the camera around, okay, we swing it no matter where we're swinging it here, it's definitely keeping an eye on me, which is kind of cool. That's what I loved about the Osmo Pocket, is because if you weren't walking around, you know, and you have your phone on there as a monitor, this is great. If you're showing something, you can do face tracking and just move the camera wherever you want, and you know it's geez, the camera's going to stay right on you. Yeah, these Osmo Pockets are pretty good. So you know what? I've come to the conclusion that I really don't need the new DJI Pocket 2. I have everything on here, pretty much that I need, that the Pocket 2 has given you, other than the zoom feature. And like I said, that's digital zoom, so I can do that in any video. Anyways, guys, this is a really cool little setup, and this was a nice little test that we done with this. So I think that's all we're going to do today, because it's actually really cold out, and oh, we lost track of ourselves. Oh, let's do that again. Okay, she's got us back in there. So anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'm freezing, and we'll catch you in the next one.